Hola amigos, soy Sesi Gamer, en esta ocasión os voy a mostrar un poco este maravilloso juego que no necesita presentación. Bundy, conocido en Europa como canis canem en latín para perro come perro. Es decir, solo el más fuerte prevalece, es un videojuego desarrollado por Rockstar Vancouver para PlayStation 2 y distribuido por Rockstar Games. El juego fue publicado el 25 de octubre del mismo año para Europa. El protagonista del juego es Jimmy Hopkins, un chico de 15 años, víctima del acoso escolar, y por eso, debe sobrevivir en la Academia Bullworks. En resumen, es como jugar un GTA, dentro de una escuela. Les dejo con unos fotogramas que he grabado para ustedes.
Jimmy, please say something.
James? What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Have fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever. Mom, why'd you marry that phony? What is wrong with you? I can't believe this.
You must be the Hopkins boy.
Where'd you come from?
We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bullworth Academy. I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study.
Okay.
His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man. Brilliant.
This is for you! I want to go for him, but I'm sure he'll just reject.
Hello there, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So, you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy, a feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, Headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, Headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, Headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
And boy, remember, you will have a clean nose, so keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown!
Get the new kid! Beat him down!
That's wicked! Oh! Use the armbar! Use the armbar! Oh, he's getting me! Give him the finisher! Give him the finisher! Global him! Kick his knees in! Ha-ha, yeah! Take the hell! Ha-ha-ha! Stuff that dork wad's head up his butt! Oh, is baby gonna cry? That sucks, man! Seriously, that was the worst!
You're dead, new kid! Dead!
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll excuse me.
I said relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around? Dorm. Just a soda machine.
Taste the chemical
You should probably
freshness.
change into your
Awesome.
uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski.
Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly.
Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump.
Great, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life, my parents, this school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already. Oh no, not again! Hey, Jimmy!
That's not
Let
what
me
I
show you
heard.
around this prison. That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Enough talk! Now I smashed you!
Please, you don't want to do this.
You! Cash! Now!
I don't deserve this, please.
Skull's face! Destroy! Next time you give, more doofus!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Careful around the prefects, they don't have much of a sense of humor. Well done!
You just made a serious mistake! Mom's such a jerk! Whose parents make them do homework?
This'll work.
I really love bunnies. They're so nice. Why do you dress like that?
You are awful.
Your clothing is social suicide.
Hey, Jimmy, follow me.
Oh my god!
Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her. Go, see what she wants.
How are you?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
There he is.
Don't whine. It doesn't hurt. What gives you the right to do that to me?
Thanks! Wanna make out? Sheesh!
Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I mean it.
Have you ever...
You actually kissed
Hi!
her.
How's it going?
Let's go to the calf. I'll show you the local wildlife. Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
Playing around.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. science. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Fascinating, isn't it? Very good. Carry on. Good work. You have a future in chemistry. You may have a future ahead of you, young man. I'm good.
I'm good. What can I say?
En definitiva, es un juego que no puede faltar en la juegoteca de nadie. Si te ha gustado el vídeo, suscríbete, dame un like y comparte con tus amigos. Adiós.